Hi everyone, I thought I would just make a quick tutorial on how to render in log or raw using Blender. This works for both EEVEE and cycles, so super simple. You're just going to want to go over to your render properties, scroll down to the bottom under color management, click the arrow, and where it says view transform, it should be set to standard. That's just the normal render coloring mode, and you can change this to filmic log, which will render it in log, or you can also change it to raw, false color, and all of these other options. Rendering in log is a great way to add amazing color grading to your renders. So I hope this tutorial helped, and please let me know if you would like a tutorial on anything else.